Tired of guessing whether your PC can run Windows 11? Microsoft made it super simple with the PC Health Check tool, and in this video, I'll guide you through how to download, install, and use it the right way. Let's get started. Before going further, if you don't know what are the Windows 11 requirement, there is a complete set of video on this playlist. The links are given. This video completely covers how to find these requirements on your PC. Okay, now come back to our topic. First, open Google and search for PC Health Check for Windows 11. Select the third link, which is Microsoft official link. Scroll a bit and click on Download the PC Health app. It is not working, so what to do now? Again, search for this tool on Google. And this time, let us download from a third-party website. Click on this green download button. The file is small and should take few seconds. After the download is complete, go to the download location and run the exe file. Accept the license agreement on first screen. And after a while it is installed. Click on Finish. This window will pop up. Click on Check Now button. And now you can get three kinds of messages. If your PC meets the minimum requirements for Windows 11 installation, then you should get this message. If some of the requirements are fulfilled and some are not, then you can get a message like this, which shows which component is not enough for Windows 11 installation. And this message you could receive if your PC does not support Windows 11 installation. Thank you, and subscribe for more coming videos.